Okay, we're live. Okay. What I wanted to talk about really quick is what it looks like for quizzes. I don't know if you all saw the quiz that we all have to take.
The one's on my math lab?
No, not on my math lab. The one you have to take. How she's grading this group activity. How she's going to know that we did what we said we did.
You said that was in week 2, Thursday?
That was in what week? It was in week 2. Was it week 2? Did I say that? I don't remember. No, it was week 4, Thursday. Was it? No, it wasn't. It must have been week 3, Thursday. One of these days. One of these Thursdays.
What's it called?
This is just the quiz. Maybe it was day 2. I don't remember what it was called. That's the.
You can just go to the quizzes.
That's true. That would have been smarter. Think smarter, not harder, right? Yeah. So this is what. Let me see if I can share my screen so you all can see. If it doesn't do that horrible double mirror effect, which this program loves to do. Oh, good. It didn't. Oh, almost did. Okay.
Yeah.
So, do y'all see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So each week, after we do this, so me and Daniel have been already talking about this. So every 2 weeks, we have to switch who does the leader. So I'm going to do it the first 2 weeks. So you have to start up the Google Hangouts, and you have to send out the email. And when you click on this, continue quiz, because I already looked at it to see what it was. If it wants to load today, sometime today. Okay, so it's going to say, what's the most valuable thing you learned from your group members? Oops. Did you attend, of course? What did you contribute? What was the most valuable thing you learned from your group members? And then the leader, whoever it is, will have to copy and paste into theirs the link of the video. But so that's how that's going to go down.
To the end. That's okay.
But that aside, as far as mathematics go, does anybody have any particular questions about this?
Not so far. At least on me. Just a bit. I don't know. How did you guys do in the test? I was talking with Chris about it. I'm not sure if I did great or not. And I don't want to look at some of the things just because I don't want to know. Whatever the score is, I cannot change it anymore. But yeah, how you guys do? Do you feel like, were you confident or anything?
Yeah, I felt pretty confident. Going back, I think I may have messed up on the tangent question.
Yeah, for the
but
grade.
I think I forgot to take. You're supposed to get the negative reciprocal of it, and I think I just solved for x in the original one, so I think I forgot to take that.
Wait, the reciprocal.
The perpendicular line?
Yeah, I can't remember exactly what it was, but
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So actually, I
It's
did that with the tutor. I don't know if you guys met with the tutor or the TA, whatever it is, for the class, and he was going through it, and yeah, it's actually, yeah. I don't know how well it was explained on the text, but basically it was you do the derivative of the function, put the point, you put the point inside or apply it. So if it was 0 or 1, you apply that point, and that's the slope. And once you get the slope, you know the mx plus b equals y. You put dx, you have the point, so that's 1. You substitute that on the original function, and you get y. Once you get y equals dm, you already got it through the slope and dx, and so you just clear for b, and that's the function that's the function of the line that's tangent to the function at that point.
Yeah.
I feel like for all the rules, when I was writing them out, like I knew all the formulas and I like thought I knew all the like word definitions, but like I mixed up some of the words and I don't know like how strict they'll be to it being like exactly like
Yeah.
the word, or if like you can understand that like I knew what I was talking about.
I think if you have like something close to it and you have the equations right on it, I'd have to imagine that it'd give you the points. I mean, it shows that you at least understand it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's said in your own words, so I don't think they'll expect you to know exactly what you. But yeah,
Yeah, I
and
made my own
that's-
language for it, so
yeah, that's funny because I think the TA also mentioned you really need to know that, and I thought, oh, okay, you need to know what it means, but I didn't thought they were gonna have pretty much half of the questions on the test to write. I was like, what the flip? I thought we were doing math, not writing, which
Yeah.
makes sense. It's definition or whatever, and you have to show the formula and example. But I don't know. That was I think that was to me it was a bit too much writing for a math test.
So actually, when I took this class last, I think it was winter. Yeah, last winter semester, my tutor was the actual class TA.
Oh.
So every tutoring session, she would pull my test. She'd be grading the test for the teacher. She'd pull mine out, and she'd grade it as she was tutoring me, to tell me, what to do.
That's
So you're right, actually. She would look at the test and she's like, okay, I wouldn't do it like this way, but we arrived at the same answer, but it would be like a different answer, but the same format.
okay.
So
Yeah.
so that tells me that they're pretty lenient as far as that goes, as long as it's the right answer and like you said, like they can tell that you really know what you're talking about. I think you were pretty good to go.
'Cause I definitely didn't write a single word. I'm pretty sure I didn't write anything like it was on. I don't even remember what the definitions were. So I basically not winged it. Because I studied, but yeah, I don't even remember why I wrote. In fact, so I know I wrote something that I think it made sense, and I put the right equations. But oh well, good luck.
On the first question, did you guys all have like a log, like simplify a log?
Yeah.
I like totally forgot my log rules. Mine was log base 327,
Yep. Same.
1/2 log base 6, 36.
Yep.
Would that end up being log base 327 plus 1?
So log base 327. Whenever you get
Also, before the log 36, it was log 3 of 27 plus 1/2 of log base 6 of 36.
Yeah, so the 1/2, you would put that to the power, like 36 to the power of 1/2, which is radical 36. So it ends up being log base 6 of 6, so that's 1, right?
Yeah, that's the way I did it. At least I did.
Okay, I think I just
split
was I
two
also
halves.
supposed to do like log base 3 of 27 equals 3.
Base 3 of 27.
That's the way I did it. I don't know. I split it into this is equal to this is equal to that, then add it together.
So you got 4.
Yes.
Okay. I don't think I simplified enough, so
1/2.
a lot of those could have just been straight inputted into the calculator. And then you have to show your work, of course, but
Yeah.
like that one, can't remember exactly.
Yeah, that's
they only let me use a scientific calculator.
yeah, same. They didn't let me use it, so I had to use the formula, which is basically base elevated to the x equals to the result, and then 27 is 3 to the 3, so you got the x was 3, so you can substitute 3, and the same with 6. So I think I got the same answer as you, and that's the same. It's the same that you did, I think.
I knew the answer, I just didn't put it all there, and I don't know why. I'm like questioning myself now, like why didn't I?
Yeah, it seems like the way they graded, like 75% of your grade is how you write it and then showing that you know not only the answer. So I mean, another 75 is great, but if you know what you're doing, even if you mess up, you're probably still gonna get a fairly good grade.
Yeah.
Hopefully. That's what I'm hoping for.
Oh yeah. I also wanted to show something else to you guys. Yeah. if it will stop doing that.
Mhm.
Have you guys ever heard of this website before?
No.
No.
So
So what?
symbollab.com, you can
Oh.
type in like this word that we're dealing with right here, so logbase 327 equals 3,
Mm,
and it will explain
Oh.
to you each of the rules and how each rule goes if you ever have a question. So
Yeah. So I Googled something to help me with the homework, and this popped up. So I definitely use that. It's really nice,
yeah.
which makes me think, why are we learning calculus if our Excel and computers do everything anyway? But oh well. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know. Or if you're taking the class of 4, how hard is it? I guess in general, are we getting much? Is it too? I don't know. I don't know what to expect. That's why I'm a bit.
Let me think. So I just did. I always do all the homework, like the math lab homework, on the Monday, if I do online. So I've already done all of next week homework as well. And let me see what homework was giving me. Oh yeah, it was saying like if you have a square piece of cardboard and you have to make a box out of it, so you have to cut squares out of each of the corners of the box and fold up the sides to make a box. How do you maximize the dimensions of it? That's a really popular one. Also, if you have a certain length of fence and you have it up against like a wall or river, how do you maximize that space with the 3 sides with the length? Those two were really common themes that I struggled with last time in calculus, and they showed up again to taunt me on this week's homework. So that's where we're going next. Oh, also, we're doing antiderivatives this week as well, so that's fun.
What was that you said?
We're doing antiderivatives or integrals.
Okay. Yeah, the names sound familiar, but I'll never remember. Well, we'll see how it goes.
Let's see if I can't pull one up.
Do we need to meet twice a week in this group as well, or just once a week? Just once a week.
Just once.
It's good.
Just once, and talk about mathematics and
Mathematics.
and anything that's like bothering us.
Yeah.
So we're just meeting this one time this week.
Yeah.
That's what she said in her instructions. So it's just one time. So if we wanted to do it Wednesday, if we wanted to do it Friday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, I think Monday seems to work good for me as far as.
Would you guys be able to do Monday at 10?
Monday at 10.
AM or PM?
AM?
I usually work, but my work schedule is different every week. So I wish I could tell you.
It's same with mine. I'm not sure. I may not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it will work out or not. So it's the same Wednesdays and Fridays for me. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I am available in the morning and in the evening, and Tuesdays kind of. But yeah, so I can meet pretty much any other time, I think. Whatever works. I mean, I could change my schedule for work, try to change it, but usually it would be better to not. I think Mondays and Wednesdays it wouldn't work that well for me.
Okay, I could do Thursday morning, but I have to. Like you said, I have to tell my manager. But
yeah, I don't know. This is the thing with group meetings. It's hard to make schedules work. But yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I would have work Mondays and Wednesdays, and Friday I have class in the mornings until 3. And after 3, I'm usually available every single day. That will work better for me. I don't know about you guys.
Some days I work the first half of the morning, some days I work the second half of the evening, and some days I work full days, and some days I have off. So it changes every week.
Yeah, but you have a set schedule.
So Katie, if you work a full day, what time would that full day end?
5 usually. Sometimes I have to drive 45 minutes back home. I work at 2 different offices, and so
So, do you guys think that?
to
Sorry?
work with you guys, like I'll like respond and let you guys know, and I can even do it on my phone sometimes too. So I'll do what I need to.
So, do you guys think that 5:30 or 6, if you have to do 5:45, would be good on Mondays? Does this what we did today? Does that seem like something we could do in the future, or does this?
I'm pretty sure that's going to run into some problems with me just having a whole bunch of classes this day, and then with FHE and having to like fit all that stuff together.
What about Wednesdays at not Wednesdays for me. Actually,
Tuesdays at 5:30.
Tuesdays at 5:30 should work for me for an hour. So do Thursdays and Fridays if we need to.
Let me see. Ooh.
How early
If
do
I
you guys
did-
go to work?
What was that?
How early do you guys go to work?
I usually go to work at 8.
Same.
The earliest I would go to work is at 9.
What was that? Oh, 9.
9. But then the latest I would come home is like
Early.
9:30.
Guys wake up early.
But sometimes I start at 10 or like noon. So like
Are there any days we can do 8 o'clock that would work for you guys?
Tuesdays and Thursdays will work for me in the morning.
8 o'clock. Yeah, that would work for me.
Katie?
depends on the day. Like tomorrow I don't work until 9:30, so it would work for tomorrow, but like today it wouldn't have worked because I had to be at work at 8.
You know what your schedule is going to be for next week?
They don't send it to us until like Friday.
Can we make plans on Friday? Because mornings work so much better for me.
So since my schedule's like so difficult, like I'll let you guys like plan it and then I'll do what I need to like show up.
Okay. So my manager usually gets drunk on the weekends and sends us our schedule at Sunday at like 3 a.m. So that's fun. But yeah, so let's say for next week, Thursday, we'll do Thursday at 8.
Okay.
Next week,
Sounds
Thursday at 8.
I'd make that work.
Thursday at 8. Let's-
Unless,
And I have a
unless
class at 9, so I'd
yeah,
have to run like
Thursday the 11th, right? Just to make sure.
yes, no, wait. Today is we're in October. I was still on 6. Yes, it would be so today is the 1st, so Thursday with the 11th.
Okay, cool.
Awesome. And so for the link, do you have to send that out to us or do we just say like Chris is going to upload?
Yeah, I guess, yeah, that'll be what that ends up being is that you'll have to say in the quiz that you uploaded. So yeah, that's another nice thing about not having a specific assignment is that if we need to make it like a half an hour short because of working at schedules, we can go ahead and do that.
Yeah,
cool. Oh, perfect.
we cut it short as much as we
Oh, we
want.
said 8 a.m. I forgot to write that down. We said 8 a.m. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, then I don't know.
Let's see. What are we running on for time? Does this have a clock? I forget. Darn, it still doesn't have a clock. Oh well.
I can tell you what time I got the email. Oh wait, just kidding.
You started this recording around like 5:50. That's what your question is.
I
At what
got
time?
invited I joined at like 5:28, 5:30ish.
5:28. Oh yeah, sorry. That's why I'm so confused. I'm on specifics. I'm on the West Coast, so it's 1 hour. That's
Gotcha.
why I'm confused. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Yeah.
So my clock says 5:11, but for you guys it says 6:11. That makes sense. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
I guess we could go around for the last little bit. I guess we could just go around and I don't know. We could say something. What could we each say about ourselves?
Favorite Disney princess?
Post a video in that one discussion board.
Say what?
Are we all supposed to post a video in that discussion board?
It works now. Yeah, we have. For me, when I went there, because I emailed her saying the discussion board didn't work. She said, "Thanks for reaching out. It works now." I didn't see a class discussion board. Somehow she made it so we have group one discussion board.
Yeah.
So our group individually has one discussion board, and then we can upload it. So yes.
So we each post our.
You have to.
Okay.
Let's go. But what's the purpose of introduce ourselves?
Yeah. So that was supposed to be the opportunity to introduce ourselves, but
All right.
unfortunately that didn't work till yesterday. But
Sounds good.
Does anybody have anything else?
No, I don't know. I'm good.
I guess we can say what semester this is for us.
Sure.
Gosh, I have to think.
Here's my 6. I have 2 semesters left. So. Getting close, finally.
I took 2 classes last semester, but I don't really count that as like a semester.
So this is your first semester then?
My 5th.
Oh, you're 5th? Wow. It's pretty far along too. What about you two?
It's my 6th, but unofficially my 6th because I'm on winter spring. So winter would be my. So if you want to actually count the fall tracks in between,
Yep.
then I have been taking classes for 8 semesters, but obviously that doesn't work. So no, this would just be my
Cool.
6th. Yeah.
What about you, Hiram?
Before it started last summer.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I guess another thing we could say is, did any of you serve missions at all or anything like that?
I did.
Yeah. I served in Washington, D.C.
Oh, cool.
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Hiram? Still in the works?
Hello? Oh.
It keeps freezing. Sorry,
Yeah.
what did you say, Hiram?
So I served in Salt Lake City,
Oh, cool.
Which
That's
one of the
cool.
Salt Lake City missions?
West, like Tooele, West Valley, and all that.
Oh, so Wyoming as well.
No, so that's the East mission.
Oh, the other one. Yeah, actually. Yeah, sorry.
Do you know an Elder Matson?
Elder Madsen.
Yeah.
Did he serve in the West mission?
What? I thought
What?
he did. I thought he did, but let me check.
Because I feel like I know Elder Madsen that serves in the East mission. But the real answer is no, not well. So
Oh, that's who it was. Do you know a Jacob Lyman by any chance from Tooele?
yeah, not well, but I definitely have met him. Because I didn't serve in Tooele specifically. I served in Stansbury and Grantsville, but I feel like I met a Lyman family.
Yeah, that would have been my trainer.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Where'd you serve again?
Argentina, Salta, Argentina.
Oh,
Nice.
I had
That's almost as cool as Salt Lake.
in Salta, Argentina, I think, but I don't know what year. So cool.
All right.
Well, I think that's all for today, unless anybody has any more.
No, I'm good.
All right. I will see you all Thursday at 8, or Thursday at 8. I put 8, but I should put 7 a.m. because that will be the time I will be waking up.
Fun right there.
Yeah.
But,
Well, see y'all later.
all right.
Awesome. See you, man.
Bye.